Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix if your geometry dash is not opening in your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So let's get started without wasting any time. So the first method what you need to do is just simply hot reboot your phone and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply offload the app. For that you have to open settings and then you have to tap on general, and from here you have to tap on iPhone storage, and from here you have to search for that app. I mean, you have to search for geometry dash from here, and then you have to tap on this and you have to offload the app and then reinstall it and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply open App Store, and from here you have to search for geometry dash. So from here you have to look for the update. If any update available here, then you have to update this one. So here you can see guys, if it's showing here open, so you have to make sure that if any update available here, then you have to update this one and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then finally what you need to do is just simply hold this one and you have to tap on remove app, and after that you have to restart your phone, and after that reinstall this app. So after doing all these things, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.